All right, class. Here we are for hopefully just 1 week of online learning. I hope you had a great Christmas break. I look forward to seeing you all in class. Sorry, I'm currently traveling right now. We had some issues with our COVID tests and missed our flight. So anyways, I look forward to seeing you hopefully in person here pretty soon. We will be covering 2 lessons this week. I posted both of those on Google Classroom. I will be covering today lesson 4.1 and then 4.2 I've already posted on Google Classroom, the notes, so if you want to print those off as well. So hopefully you've already printed these off. So we're going to be looking at how to write and evaluate algebraic expressions. So an expression, for example, it would be like 2x plus 3, or that's a weird 3, 2x plus 3, or maybe 5y. Anything that is listed as a number, so a number, a variable, or the product of a number and variable, variable, or it could also be the sum as well, sum or difference, and it could also be quotient. So I should say product or quotient. Sorry. All right, so basically it's anything, an expression is anything that does not, so this is the key here, does not have an equal sign, okay? So we're going to look at how to write and evaluate algebraic expressions. So we're going to go ahead and look at these phrases here using these variables and writing out the expressions. And I believe a lot of you should be able to do that now. So pause the video, do that on your own. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and talk through this. So for more than, so more than is plus the more than a number, and we're talking about n. So for more than n. And if you're unsure what more than would be, what operation that would be, here on the second page, I've posted language of math. You can refer to all of these here, okay? So more than, look, is right there, okay? So the difference of a number and 3, the difference of a number, m, and 3. The sum, so we know that's addition, of a number, so x and 8. 10 less than a number p, so it would be 10 less than a number p. So the number p less than 10, or would it be 10 minus p? These two things are not the same, they're different. So this is saying 10 less than a number p. So is this 10 less than a number p, or is it 10 less than a number? So I believe we would want it to be 10 less than a number p. Okay? This one is 7 units further away. So further away would be plus n. 8 minutes sooner. 8 minutes sooner. Oh, interesting. Would that be 8 plus t? Would sooner be plus? I don't think that is in this list here. Okay? But sooner means plus. All right, so now go ahead and match these. With a partner, obviously you are alone right now, so try to do these on your own. So the product of a number and 3. The product of a number and 3. The quotient of 3 and a number. That would be the quotient of a number and 3. It actually would be the quotient of 3 and a number. The order matters here. Okay? 4 times a number. A number divided by 3. A number is being divided by 3. So we know that that would be over here. Twice a number. Twice tells us times. Okay? So we're going to write an expression to represent the situation. An automatic dog feeder dispenses 2/5 of a cup of dog food each day. Let's stop there. Each day tells us that it's going to be multiplication. So we'll call that D. And it's dispensing 2/5 of that, okay? Now, what expression can the dog owner use to determine the amount of food left in the feeder after D days? So this is being added or subtracted from the dispenser here. That is the question we want to ask ourselves. Is 2/5 being added to this, or is it being taken away? It's being taken away, right? It's being removed. So it would be 20 minus 2/5 D. That is our expression. Evaluate the expression 9.99D plus 12.99C can be used to find the total cost of D pounds of almonds and C pounds of cashews. How much does it cost to buy 1.5 pounds of almonds and 2.5 pounds of cashews? So this is nice because they've already given us the expression. All we have to do is substitute these in. So 9.99 times 2.5 plus 12.99 times 2.5. And there is a typo right there. Checking to see if you're paying attention. It's 1.5. Okay, so then you can go ahead and use your calculator. I'm fine if you use a calculator as long as you write this out. So 9.99 times 1.5, 1.5, gives you 14.985 plus 12.99 times 2.5 gives us 32.475. So when we add these together, that gives us $47.46. Okay? All right, so this last example here, Malik and two friends earn M dollars in 1 week doing odd jobs. They split their earnings so that each friend gets 1/3 of the total earnings. Let's stop there. How much is Malik earning? Well, they're all earning M dollars, right? That's the total amount. The total amount that they earn is M. Well, there's 3 friends, so he is earning, they're splitting it evenly. I think I said evenly. That sounded funny. Evenly, it would be 1/3 of that total, right? Okay, then Malik uses $32.50 of his earning on lunch money each week. So is he adding that to the 1/3 of M, or is he subtracting it? He's spending that on his lunch. Poor guy, he has to spend his money on his lunch. So there's our expression. All right, we have an expression there. So then, last week, the 3 friends earned $963. So that is this M here. 963. How much money did Malik have left after paying for lunch? So we can write the expression to represent how much Malik had left. That's this here. We've done that. And then we need to evaluate that. And let's go ahead and evaluate that. So evaluating, we are substituting those values in. So we substitute 963 in for M times 1/3 minus 32.5. So then we multiply 1/3 times 963, or we just take 963 divided by 3, which is 321 minus 32.5. And then when you take 321 minus 32.5, that gives you $288.50. That is how much money Malik would have. Okay? So that is it for this lesson. I've posted a Math Excel that you need to complete. It's Math Excel 4.1. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Please message me if you have any questions. Like I said, as soon as I am available at my computer, I'll answer those. All right. Keep up the great work. I think I can do this and this. Oh, and this. Hey, all right. So big high fives. All right. Keep up the great work.